What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be dedicated to cutting springs. So on the front, as some of you may know, you have the springs you can buy that are already cut and they're fabricated for that. But on this OBS, we're going to cut the springs in the front. I'm gonna take off everything. I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna have him record for me. I do have a little, not a surprise, but it's something I did to my truck. Let me go get the keys. I got the keys in my pocket. Did I lock it? It's not locked. Alright, so the moment of truth. It looks pretty cool. I mean, I don't know. I've heard it helps a lot. So I supercharged it. No, I was playing. I just put a cold air intake K&N. I got the other piece that goes right here for the box, but I'm gonna do that right now. But yeah, I need to detail it. I'm a detailer. My truck's like a dirty. Wow, can't believe it. Yeah, but it's nice. It's nice. It's the K&N. It hits over here. Barely has clearance, but they fit. That's all that matters. Go check your fucking drum.
All right, mechanic.
If you ever need to change your drum brakes,
I mean, they look fucking brand new though.
the inside of them?
Yeah,
the inside what you changed. The springs, fucking cylinder.
Dude, damn, bro.
What happened?
What is that? It look like fucking. I ain't even gonna say it because I'm gonna get demonetized. I mean, Andres is gonna get demonetized. Told me to come all the way to the back of his yard porque he has some like some whatchamacallit, some test springs or something like that. Pero a ver si los encuentro, pues. The shortest one, and I think I found it. But I can't reach. Got a feeling there are these ones right here. Alright, let's test them out, guys. What left what on?
Alright, so we took off all the accessories. We got it down, ready to get the spring off. So basically you're gonna have to take off your brake line, which is behind the caliper. You're gonna have to take this on this ball joint. You gotta take the one under it. It has a pin, which is a pain in the ass. And then this one, I forgot what this one was called, but you don't have to take off the rack and pinion one. But yeah,
so that's a little take rundown. Off the brakes?
Nah, if you want, you can take off the brakes, but it makes it hella harder, and it's the same shit.
Like that.
Alright, so make sure that what I did was this one right here, I put it at a 90 degrees, and I'm gonna cut on the second one. So I'm gonna cut right here, and the spring is basically gonna be all this, you know. And make sure you do the same thing for both. If not, you're gonna be all unlevel. So right now we're gonna start cutting. Where's the mark?
The mark is the fucking
Cousins. Aquí está.
almost.
That shit touched me on accident.
With the tip.
Alright, let's go look for the top. Over here. I'm gonna go.
Hey, come inside, homeboy. Alright, the first side is done. Thanks to Andres.
Ready?
Ready, go.
Thanks to these Crocs, my boy.
Oh, fuck, bro. That shit lowered it, bro.
Low gang. Swallow mouth. Feel that way.
Bruh. Hell yeah.
And that's how you lower your truck for free.
I would say I would buy him a 24 pack, but yeah, no toma.
You good, nigga? You can buy me a box of Chinese food. It's cheaper, $10.
No, I know where it's a little bit more cheaper, pero yeah, good. Allá por Stockton, bruh.
Nigga.
A la verga, bruh. I am hella low. I mean, not that low, pero.
No, you're low, bro. That's a 3-inch drop right there.
Go.
Let me know if me and my boy right here we're talking. Maybe we just drop some merch, but we're not sure yet.
Leave in the comments down below if you guys want Andres to make merch, you know, decals, shirts.
What do you guys want to see on there?
Yeah.
All right, next side. Flip this bitch around.
You know, if you guys want to sponsor us with new lights, you know, don't hesitate to send us nothing, you know. I mean, to send us something, because kind of do new I don't know if you could hear me, but now we're cutting the second spring. It lowered my truck pretty low. We're cutting it 3 inches. What do I have in my mortar?
So people have been asking him what he has in his engine. Nobody's been asking.
5.7.
He got a 5.7, 350 carbureted. All right, this is before right here. All right, show him the after. Sucking on 20s.
Holy fuck, this is low.
Bro, your front is lower than the back.
Oh shit. I can't take it out.
You can't take it out. It's good. Lift it, lift it, lift it. We'll put some blocks under the front tires.
I can't no more.
Lift it.
My flat.
Now you got a race truck.